on, kids, let's dance and play. It's time for Smart Rhymes today. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain in the sky. Dark gray clouds are rolling by. We've got toys and games to play. Please come back another day. Rain, rain, soft and slow. Dripping drops that gently flow. Puddles grow and boots go splash while we watch the raindrops dash. Rain, rain, don't be long. We will sing a happy song. When the sunshine comes to stay, we'll go out and laugh all day. Oh, rain, rain, fade away. See the rainbow bright and gay. Thank you, clouds, for watering too. Now the sky is clear